Hi, I bet you are wondering what's new in Leon, huh? No.
First of all, let's take a look at the qualification sections. Now you can easily see and filter out those certificates that are owned by crew member but are no longer required due to changes in definitions or ratings. Another change in the Phonebook database. Now you can select if your client is a provider and filter the database by this category. You can now also provide a list of contracts for a given client and use those contracts when you create a flight quote. And from now on, when you are cancelling a trip from a sales panel, you have a possibility to add a short note regarding the deletion reason.
And that's it. If you want to know more about our news, please check our release notes. If you want to learn more about Leon, please check out our LinkedIn page or YouTube channel.